Hey there, and welcome to my studio today. We are going to talk about organization because everybody knows if you're not organized and you can't find things, you can't paint. So I'm going to show you my latest hack for painting tubes. It's been a long process to find this, but I'm happy to tell you I figured it out. So come on over and let me show you. So these are the basic tubes that I use to paint with. I have different sizes and different brands, but generally speaking, this is the size that I use. 4 ounces. I was always trying to figure out how to organize them because they get big, bulky, messy piles everywhere, and it's not helpful when I'm trying to paint. And this is the messy before view, before I found this way of organizing. Just kind of piling up on my desk and in baskets. So what I did was I went to the local hardware store, Harbor Freight, and I got this pegboard. As you can see, I organized all my paints on this pegboard. Now you can use it horizontally. I used it vertically because I lean it against the wall in my studio. But it's so easy and such a simple solution to having all these paint tubes. So one way you could hang them, as you can see, is with the hook. There's a little hook right there. Another is if it doesn't have a hook in the actual tube, you can put on a clip and it will go right on that hook. Now there's different hooks that are offered for pegboards. Really interesting. And it's basically whatever works for you. I think this is called a J hook because it makes a J that way. And all you do is just put the top one in the hole and the second one goes down there. So it just is very easy to kind of hook into the pegboard. And then they also have all these different kind of accessories for them. This is an actual basket that hooks on the pegboard as well. So you can see the hooks right here. Same kind of J hooks. You just put the basket into the pegboard and then the pressure of it keeps it hung up. So I use this to organize some of my stencils, my stamps, and then here's another smaller basket. I just put my brayer in there and some other art supplies. So I feel like this is like a life hack that I stumbled on that has made such a big difference in organizing some of my art supplies. I know I have a while to go because I have so many, but this is a great way to just get those tubes off of my table and into a more aesthetically pleasing site. So I did it by color, but you could do it whatever works for you. Sometimes I put the colors that I use most often closest to me, and other times I just keep it in color fashion. So I hope this was helpful, and if you have a hack on organizing your paint tubes, please comment in the comments below. We would love to hear it. And if you have any other organizational hacks, I would love to hear it as well. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it and subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you again soon.